Salesforce Space Station.
Hello, so today I'll be explaining the differences between console apps and standard apps in Salesforce. In this video, we'll explore the unique features and benefits of both app types and help you decide which one best suits your needs. So let's dive right in. First, let's talk about console apps. Console apps are designed to optimize productivity for users who handle a high volume of data and need to manage records simultaneously. Key features of console apps include tab-based navigation. With console apps, each record opens in its own tab, allowing users to switch between records easily without losing context. So here I have a console app. For example, I'll open an account. And then let's say I'd like to open a different record, which is cases. As you can see, we have one tab for case and another tab for account, so I can easily switch between these tabs. Next is subtabs. Console apps also support subtabs, which enable users to work with related records alongside the primary record. So for example, here I'm in the account. I will go to the related list and I will click on related contacts. As you can see, it opened a subtab. So it's just below the account, and I can easily access the primary account of this contact. Next is the console components. So there are customizable components that help users view relevant information. So for example, we have here recently viewed records. So there's a panel here that you can expand. If you click on that arrow, it's gonna show you a recently viewed record, so you can easily access the last record that you've opened, or you can access a different list view here. Now let's shift our focus to standard apps. So I'll open a standard application. Standard apps, also known as a classic app, it follows more traditional interface style. So there's also key features of standard apps. For tab-based navigation, like console apps, standard apps also use tabs, but with a slightly different user experience. So in standard apps, each tab represents a separate page, and users have to navigate through different pages to view and manage individual records. So for example, I'll be opening an account. So as you can see, it's gonna load the entire page of the account. But if I want to open a different record, let's say cases again, and I'll open a sample case, it is a totally different page. And if I wanted to go back to account, I have to access the account tabs again. So in less productivity focused, unlike console apps, standard apps are best suited for users who primarily work with single records and don't require multiple records open simultaneously. When deciding between console apps and standard apps, consider your team's workflow and the nature of their task. If the users handle a high volume of data and need to multitask efficiently, a console app could be the way to go. For example, a sales team managing multiple leads, opportunities, and accounts simultaneously, they would benefit from console apps' productivity-oriented features. On the other hand, if your users work with one record at a time and context switching isn't a significant concern, a standard app might be a straightforward and familiar choice. In conclusion, both console apps and standard apps have their advantages. Whichever option you choose, Salesforce offers a diverse range of apps and customization to allow or to tailor your Salesforce experience to your unique business requirements. So to learn more, you can always visit salesforce.com. That's all. Thank you.
Salesforce Space Station.